A day in my life. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through my typical day using essential English words for daily routines. This is perfect for learners who want to sound more natural when talking about their day. Ready? Let's do this. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. sharp. I'll be honest, I usually hit snooze once or twice before I actually get up. First things first, I make my bed because starting the day with a small win feels good. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed for the day. For breakfast, I grab a quick bite, maybe some toast with peanut butter or a bowl of cereal. I always drink a glass of water to start my day hydrated. If I have extra time, I'll check my phone for messages or scroll through social media for a few minutes. I leave the house around 8:30 to commute to work. My job involves sitting at a desk, so I try to take short breaks every hour to stretch my legs. At noon, I take my lunch break. Sometimes I bring food from home, other times I order takeout with coworkers. After work, I head straight home. First thing I do is change into comfy clothes. This is my favorite part of the day. I usually prepare dinner, nothing fancy, just simple meals like pasta or stir-fry. While eating, I catch up on my favorite shows. Before bed, I take a warm shower, do some light reading, and set my alarm for the next day. I try to go to bed by 10:30 p.m. to get enough rest. On weekends, my routine changes. I sleep in, meet up with friends, or do household chores like laundry and cleaning.